Live from Tijuana, Mexico. Here we are. Okay, now, again, we missed last week because I was in Thailand. And yes, in order to fly, you do have to be nose raped. But I'm here with, what's your name?
Sabrina.
I know. Okay, now you have a special profession. Okay, what's your profession?
I am a registered nurse in California.
Okay, now you're doing weird alternative care here. What drives you to do that?
Modern medicine has just the last 15 years really become dangerous, and I've seen a lot of damage from medications, vaccines, and other modern medicine treatments, unfortunately.
Okay, this is the key. I have a few hundred nurses, okay? I've got a couple dozen doctors, but nurses are in the thicket and they are connected with the patient. They're not spending 1 minute looking at the chart, throwing it down and say, prescribe this. You guys
Correct.
see, you see the joy and you see the damages.
Correct.
Now, did you have any, where'd you come from? What state?
California, the Central Valley, so we drove.
Yeah, it was a nice drive. What'd you come down for?
I came to this holistic care. I've been a patient of yours in Huntington Beach since 2017, but I wanted to see a more full spectrum care that you had told me about, like the blood cell analysis, the thermography,
Have you seen your results yet?
Not yet.
Okay, what was it like seeing the live blood cell? Because that's one of my favorite parts.
It's impressive. It's impressive and a little detrimental for me, but impressive.
Well, yeah. You know, it's just,
I'm alive.
like
Yeah.
showing stuff.
Yeah.
But the cool thing is, after you do one blood analysis, you can do another one and see what your blood looks like.
Correct.
Now, you brought your mom down?
I did.
Okay. Now, did you have any trouble getting across the border? Because
No.
people are like,
Yeah, no. I've been to Mexico. My mother never has. She didn't really want to come, but we had no problem. You park at the parking lot at the border station, and they send a driver. They bring you directly here to a beautiful building. They have all the amenities here. You don't ever even have to leave the building, so you can have all your care done here and food and accommodations as well. So.
yeah, I'm going to turn you in a couple of restaurants.
But we went out on the street and it was fine.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, there's a couple of restaurants just a couple of blocks away that are out of this world.
Yeah.
And I bring my wife down, and so and I like her.
Yeah.
Now the stuff that we have down here, we've got the holistic dentist and the vitamin IVs. Have you availed yourself of that?
I did the vitamin infusion today.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a no-charge live blood cell analysis to see what your blood looks like after those.
Great.
Because it's just fun.
Yeah.
Because this way you can actually see that your body is getting healthy.
Yeah.
Now,
Exciting.
because you're taking charge of it, but you're in healthcare.
Yes.
So you're seeing that what works and what doesn't work.
Yes.
And obviously drug and symptoms, that's probably not the best thing you could do.
No. It works for some, but not for all.
Yeah, and it doesn't work long term.
No. And you don't feel good, and then your whole life is wrapped around specialist after specialist after specialist, and there's no hope of ever recovering. You're just pill after pill after pill. And so at least here you come and there's hope that you're gonna heal. Your body's actually gonna heal itself, and you actually get to see it. He's really good at showing and educating, and a great team here. Yeah, it's exciting.
Oh, God.
Yes.
Okay. What can you tell someone? Because a lot of people are stuck in the symptom drug paradigm, just like you're talking about. They go from some expert to expert, and the experts are not experts. They're not.
Right.
The cardiologist is not looking at the nerves that supply it. The gastroenterologist or the psychologist isn't looking at gastroenterology function, even though that's where serotonin's produced. It's a mishmash of insanity. What would you tell someone to break them out of the system? Because you got authority.
Right.
You've been in the medical world for years, and you're not.
I can
doing
just
the
tell you
standard
what I
protocols.
tell most of the patients that I see, and that is, if you can't have a conversation with a medical doctor and question him and him get mad and terminate you as a patient, that's pretty offensive to me, and it should be to anyone. So I see a lot of that happening. Not only that, but during COVID now, physicians aren't even wanting to do face-to-face and physical assessments, and they're doing, FaceTime, which is fine, intermittent, but you cannot replace physical hands-on assessing. And not spending time. I feel like you educate and you ask questions and you engage with patients. And when you see that with anyone in the medical field or holistic care, you become a team. And the circle of medical care, modern medicine is just, people get tired and they get depressed and then there are pills for that and that. So if you're tired of being sick and you're tired of getting referred and you're tired of being told no answers and they don't want to answer questions, and it's holistic care, I think, is where the future is. It's and you can integrate. There might be a time when you do need that modern medicine intervention, and find a doctor that will integrate with chiropractic care, with holistic care, with IV infusions, because that is really, it should work together, and they shouldn't be talking negatively about one another. I feel way better since I ever came here, and I don't take any medicine, and I'm 54, so I'm happy to hear that. I probably, if I hadn't come here, might have had to go a different way because I was in a lot of pain, but
Oh my God.
thankful I found you.
When I had my legs broken 30 years ago, my legs, sternum fractured,
Yep.
morphine, oh my gosh. I'm telling you right now, amazing. I mean, instant pain relief.
Right.
But I couldn't do that for more than a week. I was scared to death. I thought I'd turn into a drug addict.
Right. Well, we have a problem in the United States and probably everywhere with prescription drugs, opioids, and all of that stuff. So there's no hope. It just goes from one to the next. And now they have pain specialists prescribing and doing all these pain pumps, injecting and inserting into the bodies. And it's really, they can't remove them, and they don't tell you they can't remove them. It's a mess. So you're tired of being in pain and you're tired of being sick. It's worth the drive here. It's not scary, and it's very clean, very professional. It's the best in California for sure. Yeah.
I'm glad this is recorded, because you're saying it absolutely.
No,
perfect.
I've been to a lot of healthcare facilities. This is a nice one. Trust me, I wouldn't have come if it wasn't. Yeah.
Okay, God bless you. Thank you for saving your mom.
Yeah.
Take action. You are the one that's the best doctor. You are the one that should be in charge of your health. And if your doctor is saying, gee, we just don't know the cause, fire him. Find somebody that understands the difference between adaptive physiologic response and well, they're all adaptive physiologic responses. Jesus, if you're treating something that the doctor doesn't know what the cause is, like fibromyalgia or chronic fatigue or this, no, you got to find the source, and we do.
Yeah, they do.
God bless you. Okay, make it down, make it down, make it down. Real people, real problems, real solutions.